Welcome to the Chart Patterns video of Glib. In this video, I will explain the intricacies of chart patterns in Glib. We will also look at how we can further adapt these to our personal needs. Before we continue, I recommend watching the Glib introductory video. This covers the installation and basic usage of Glib. You can find the link in the description of the video. Chart patterns are drawn automatically when using Glib. They work through a user-defined number of time frames and are displayed simultaneously on the chart. This way, there is never a risk of missing a signal created by another time frame. To set the time units, simply press the F7 key on your keyboard or right-click on the Expert and select Properties of Glib. Now you can change the value, time frames in the chart pattern settings. To do this, simply write the desired time units in shorthand and separate them only by a comma in the list. The patterns will be drawn into the chart immediately. As we saw in the introductory video, chart patterns are displayed in three colors. Patterns drawn in green indicate completed patterns in the long direction. Patterns drawn in red are completed patterns in the short direction. As a special feature of Glib, patterns that are being created are displayed as possibilities very early on. The important trading lines of the pattern are of course drawn in automatically. You can recognize patterns being created by their orange color. But there are more settings that we can use. The bar history specifies how many candles should be processed in the calculations. The more candles that are processed, the further into the past patterns are displayed and included in the probability calculations. However, high values can put a heavy load on the processor. With tolerance in percent, we set the value of how accurately a pattern must hit its price levels. With the zigzag parameters, we can control our outputs even more finely. Depth is the number of candles with no second maximum or minimum. Deviation sets how much a price must retrace to create an extreme point, and backstep finally sets the minimum number of candles between the extreme points. Last but not least, I will show you how to get pattern alarms. Pattern alarms are used to give a signal to the user when a chart pattern has reached a certain value. You can enable or disable two alarms in the settings. Simply set the associated value to true if you want to activate the alarm or to false if you don't want to receive an alarm. The trigger for the alarm can be set with the value pattern state. Several choices can be made for the pattern state. The pattern state, CP None, describes that no patterns are on the chart. With CP Constructive, all patterns are recognized that have just started. However, this is not yet recommended for a signal. The signal, CP Early Bird, is the first signal that becomes interesting for alarms. This signals the last reversal point before a possible breakout. Please note, however, that the reversal does not necessarily have to take place. So if you want to use this as an entry point, it should definitely be combined with other strong signals. CP Breakout is the first breakout from a current pattern at the scheduled breakout point. Don't forget to include other market factors here as well. Glib shows a very good hit rate in tests with the exclusive use of Glib Chart Patterns, but this value can fluctuate very strongly due to different stop strategies, markets, market situations, and market phases. Therefore, always consult other confirming signals when making trading decisions. The end is CP finished. When this signal occurs, the price is already covered some distance from the breakout and is then considered confirmed. In this video, you have learned how the chart patterns are displayed in Glib and how you can personalize them for yourself. In our next video, we will look at support and resistance. And don't forget, our goal is to provide you with the most comfortable and profitable trading experience possible. Of course, we are always available for you personally. Just visit us at sock.studio. Glib. Less work, more life.